Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. All right, you remember this website, guys. I've shared with you before. It's very simple. All you do, you can make money in two ways. It's either investing or recruiting or inviting people, or you can do both of them. Right now, let me maybe explain that. If perhaps you don't want to invest, you can invite people in the website. You can earn money by doing that. You can, or if maybe you don't want to invite people, you can invest in the website, okay, and all of that. Now, I want to show you it's something that is very interesting here. You see there on the flashing video, what today. All right, add videos now, sell your videos now. This website allows you also, if you've got videos maybe on YouTube or anywhere that you want to share with them, okay, all you do is just to put the link of your video. All right, it will appear right on their website, then people will watch those videos, okay. But they have added something very interesting, which is you can actually sell your videos. You see the way it says sell your videos, okay. Let me just open that. Okay, let's go down and let me read this because this is important. Now, ACX video exchange, okay. So in other words, you can actually exchange videos with other people. They say buy and sell videos. They say now ACX members can buy and sell videos in the new ACX video exchange, okay. They say this new video exchange gives members the ability to earn money by offering the sale of any online video, okay. So in other words, of course, I think it's clear you can offer your video, right, that you have actually uploaded here, and then you can maybe somebody might talk to you about it, and then you can negotiate, and then you can agree on the amount, and then the person will have access, or he will have full control on the video. That means he can use that video, right, for anything, because he has or she has bought that video, okay. Videos are put up for sale manually as an ACX member decides to sell their videos, okay. So it's done manually, it's not automatic. Videos must first be added to the video system. That is, the video must be the video that you've actually uploaded. That is, if you want to sell it, all right, you have to be uploaded. It has to be here. It has to be uploaded in the website, this website that you see on the screen. Videos must first be added to the video system. Then you can offer them on the video exchange by assigning a selling price up to $100,000. Just imagine, and then they say members can also make an offer for any video. If the owner accepts your offer, you can take control of the video immediately, setting up for any future revenue generated by the video. Whoa, wait a minute. Did you hear that, guys? They say members can also make an offer for any video. If the owner accepts your offer, you can take control of the video immediately. So between you who is buying the video and the one who is selling the video, there must be an agreement, guys, okay. You agree that, okay, the amount is going to be $100. I'm going to give you the rights of this video. In other words, the person is going to use the video. That means the person can take the video and upload it in their channel, all right. And then if the video does well, ladies and gentlemen, and it's got more views in your channel, that is yours, all right. And then it says you can take control of the video immediately, setting you up for any future revenue. So in other words, if that video generates revenue for you in your channel, all right, you will earn, ladies and gentlemen, through that video, okay. And then they say members can purchase a video at a low price and then resell it at a higher price. The current maximum sale price for a video is $100,000. The minimum is 0.01. Okay, so that's wonderful. So let's read the top one again. Members can purchase a video at a low price and then resell it at a higher price. So in other words, you can buy it maybe at $10 and then you can decide later. Maybe let's say you have used it, you have made money with it, and it's doing well, it has more views. In other words, the value. Oh guys, this is so good. You see, it is like a property. If perhaps you've got a property and then you, over the years, you have increased the value of the property, you have done things on the property, maybe you have improved it, you have put other things, you have done whatever, the value of that property will go up. Even here, if perhaps you have bought a video, maybe for example you bought it $10 and then you put it in your channel, it grows. Or maybe I think you are allowed to modify it. I don't know if maybe you can put other things. I don't know if that is allowed, but I guess that will be the agreement between you and the person. Now if that video does well, okay, remember the value of it's going to go up. That means if it has maybe 1 million views, 2 million views, 10 million views, whatever, the value of that video is going to be up. At the later stage, you can be able to actually resell the video to somebody else with a good price, a price that is higher than the one that you have bought. Simple as that, okay? Now, videos can be purchased using various funds in the video system. So you use the system here, guys. It's not like you will take your own money somewhere. You must be part of this website, and also the funds from this website. This includes video packs, video founder, and expect balances. You can also use your deposited funds balance and of course your new video sales balance. Videos that will be viewed videos that will be viewed more often in our system have greater value, so it's best to add and buy videos that are popular with the best titles and search text, of course. Now you can hear that's what I was actually explaining. Okay, now the videos, okay, that are viewed more, that means if videos that have more views, okay, they've got higher or greater values. That is what I just explained, okay? And also you must, when you want to buy a video, of course, you don't just buy a video, any video. You buy videos that have good titles. As we know, guys, YouTube, you must, if you want your video to do well, you must have a good title and also the search text, okay? And then it says the full amount of the sale is not credited to the seller's account. All right, ACX currently retains 70%, of which 20% is paid to video system founders. This amount is subject to change according to the decision of ACX management. So in other words, you have to take note of these guys, because you have to know what are they going to get while you are doing that, and also what you are going to get. They say the ACX currently retains the 70%, of which 20% is paid to video system founders. Okay, so they say funds received from video sales are placed in the seller's video sales balance and can be used to purchase other videos, earnings packs, or be withdrawn. That is so wonderful. This one is very important. Be withdrawn, okay, which is what we will be interested, I guess. Okay, so in other words, your balance, okay, or the funds that you get from buying, okay, the funds that you get from selling the video, okay, they can be kept, or they say placed in the they can be placed in the video sales balance and can be purchased. Maybe you can use that money to actually buy other videos, or you can buy packs, or you can actually withdraw it. Okay, example, member adds 20 videos for free, then sells each one for $1. Member profits $6. 20 times 1 times 30%. Member buys 20 videos for $1 each on the video exchange and then start selling them for up to $100,000 each on the video exchange. This amazing new concept allows ACX members the opportunity to enjoy a huge earnings potential by buying and selling public videos. Now, this is really a good opportunity, guys. You know, those who are owning actually YouTube channels and those who've got some nice videos who want to make money, you know, using their videos. Okay, you can actually come here. If you haven't joined, remember you must be, or you have to be, or you have to be a member. Okay, so that at least you can access all of this. All right, so now for you to be a member, of course you need to register. The link will be in the description below. That's when you can actually register. Okay, and then you can start. Now what is going to happen, guys, is this: after you have registered, of course you're gonna have to get your videos, okay, that you have on your channel, and then you can come here and post them here. It's very easy to post. You just put the link of your video, they will appear here, and then the more they are viewed, and then at a later stage you can sell them. Okay, the higher the viewing, of course, the higher the value. Okay, and then if anybody is interested, they will talk to you, you agree, boom, and then you sell your videos. Okay, and if you are a person who wants to buy videos, you can come here and talk to people who've got some nice videos, and then you can pay them, get the video, use it, make money with it. Simple as that. Okay, even today other people, they do that, but they do that, I guess, using whatever you know, laws that they follow on YouTube, you know, using other people's stuff and blah 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 and all of that. Okay, but here they are offering that opportunity for you legally, and also in a way that it's going to be good, in a way that it's going to allow you to talk to the person who owns the video, at least, you know, to know that you are using the video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is a great opportunity. If you are interested in this, of course, as I said, the link is in the description. Just join in, and it's free to join, guys. Okay, and then it's either you can buy packs if you want, or you can start inviting people and generate some income for yourself. And then of course this other one that you can sell or buy videos. Okay, thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you liked the video, and also you subscribe, and you have a fantastic and a wonderful day. And of course, as I always close it, shui shui shui.